Hey queens and kings, welcome back. Happy Sunday. Welcome to all our new queens and kings. I am Valerie, the queen of this castle, and that is the prince Andre of this castle. And then we do have the lovely princess. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys well, I just came back from the grocery store, went and picked up some groceries, which was well needed. That Andre is tripping all over. But today I'm going to clean up the kitchen and clean the refrigerator and try to organize some of this grocery and stuff into the pantry. I may give to give you guys a quick little haul of the stuff that I did get, and we're gonna start the cleaning. Okay, so if you guys like content like this, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, share the video, comment down below, because over here on this channel here I do a lot of home decor.
Like to the video.
And yeah, subscribe and like all that good stuff. I do a lot of home decor shopping and home decor styling, decorating, cleaning and stuff over here, as well as family vlog, lifestyle type stuff. So if that's something you guys would like to see, you're intrigued by stuff like that, why don't you all please continue.
Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you.
So here's all the stuff. Like I said, I just came back from Walmart, and I'm gonna just go ahead and get it all sorted out, so therefore I could go ahead and give you guys a haul. So this is the kitchen, how it looking. The refrigerator is pretty empty. We're gonna need some cleaning too as well, so I'm gonna do that. You know, get rid of some of this stuff. Look at the stove dirty, child. And this need a little bit of organization of TLC, not too much, but a lot of is really nothing. Really nothing. So let's go ahead and get started with doing this.
Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue.
Chips, 2 packs of noodles, oatmeal, some juice, some Ritz crackers, some carb balance tortilla, sour bread, regular bread back there. Them honey buns, some zebra cakes. Child, look how I'm putting this stuff over. This is so ghetto. But them oatmeal cookies and stuff. Real mayo, tomato sauce, corns. I have 2 of those. Some beefaronis, more corn, some diced tomatoes, some green beans. And then I got ABCs somewhere too, green beans. So taco sauce, some spaghettis, brown rice, some grits. These things here is for me to take to work. Some lima beans, some vinegar, cereal, ABCs, whole bunch of those. Some tuna, onions, pepper, cucumber, lemons, turkey ham for me, butter, some turkey patties, some turkey ground, because I'm trying to actually lose some weight, change the way I eat, as well as the rest of the house. Some shrimp, some pork chops, some stew beef, some broccoli, steamed broccoli. That's the only way I would eat broccoli like that. I have not tried no other way. I just don't like the smell. Some pizza rolls. These are chicken fingers. Some of these little cuties back here. Some buttermilk pancakes. Those are the mini. They didn't have the regular size, so I got those. The sweet patty pie. 2 things of eggs. Some mint. Some strawberry milk, garlic, orange juice, fish sticks, and this chicken. 2 packs of that, and some seasoned fries. Over here, got some more broccoli, some cheese, some Minute Maid. They really didn't have no more juice. Some more of those little pancakes, minis, hot dogs, some pack of chicken, some peppers, tomatoes, the mixed salad with the spinach and spring banana. All right now, queens and kings, so I have already started with the freezer, basically removing stuff out of the refrigerator and stuff like the old meat, you know how you do. And last thing you see me taking out was the ice cube. So all I'm doing here is using some soap and a little bit of bleach and water to clean the freezer part of the refrigerator Child, it looked like I am really scrubbing out, but I'm really not. It just seemed like when I clean, it seemed like if I put a little bit elbow grease to it, it seemed like it helped get it a little bit cleaner to me. I don't know, maybe it's just a mind thing, maybe it is just a mind thing. But a reason I'm really much doing this too as well is because you guys know I'm basically sitting back waiting for them to call me, let me know the apartment is ready, or demand to come by to do an inspection or anything. And speaking of an inspection, one of you queens said in the comments, asked like, how are they doing an inspection with a house full of furniture? Good question, queen. Thank you for asking that, because I actually stopped by the rent office to see that they still remember me, because it's been a minute now. Y'all know I'm getting impatient. But one of the young ladies there at the office did say all that the supervisors pretty much is going to do is basically will do a walkthrough through the apartment to see if any type of damage or anything like that. So that's basically what they checking for when they doing an inspection. So yeah, I hope that answered your question. Now let's go back. Like I said, I did go check to the rent office. Y'all won't have to hear nothing else about this moving no more until we actually move. I promise you, because I'm over it myself. So but anyways, I'm just go ahead and start adding the food and stuff in here after I done clean and wipe down and everything. But what they are waiting on, or what they was waiting on, is a supervisor for the maintenance, which is the person who would do the walkthrough. So that's what I've been waiting on, along with everybody else with any type of fixtures that need to be fixed, any type of maintenance order, work orders you don't put in. All that has been on hold because I have put in a couple on myself. So yes, the whole complex is back up pretty much. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I was waiting on. So hopefully that answered your question, and I will not be bringing you guys any more updates about apartment until I physically move. So we got everything in there that is gonna be in there. Yes, I know I need to go grocery shop some more, put some more meat, but honey, right now I gotta cut back on all of that stuff because a lot of people like to eat a lot of junk stuff up in this house, and I'm trying to cut back and ease into the natural state or more healthy state for my family and I, because honey, we are some snackers. But anywho, we done made it down to the bottom of the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna take out all this stuff. I'm gonna go through it as I'm taking it out too as well. Throw away some of the stuff that is bad, we don't need. Some of it's just a lot of empty plates and cups in here too as well. So yeah, y'all seen it before. But anywho, I'm just gonna do the same thing to the bottom, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little rub scrub dub with some soap and water and some bleach to clean it out. If I did not mention, I can't remember, did I just mention that? But I said I'm trying to get ahead of with the cleaning part as well with the apartment, because I'm waiting. So this is gonna help me out, so there'll be less stuff that I need to clean when I get ready to move out of this apartment. So yeah. All right, so now that we done finished the refrigerator, did that part, now I gotta do this part, putting this stuff, making all this pretty much fit into the pantry. And as you can see, ain't pretty much nothing in there. A lot of what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, I know the word I'm looking for, but ain't nothing in there. So we're just gonna head and get this done now. Okay, so pretty much for the pantry, I didn't did too much organizing here because I still can't think of the word that I'm looking for. What are the things you call when you go to a restaurant and you take them home with you? You know, the ketchup packaging and all stuff like that. I'm basically trying to let you guys know that's pretty much what I pretty much have in here. And the reason I have a lot of it is because this where you don't take a list down where you go grocery shopping and you continue buying the same thing over and over. And then when you get home, you see you have 2 things of flour. You have 3 things of ketchup and mustard, mayonnaise, and sugar, and all that craziness stuff there. So that's pretty much where I'm at here at this point here. So this is just going to be a little slight work of me basically trying to organize and put the stuff where it goes. But when I get ready to move, baby, I can't wait because I got to get a little bit more organized, a little bit more balanced. So therefore, I can stay in my right mind pretty much. But a lot of the stuff I did get, like I said, is basically me trying to transfer over to a healthier eating habit and basically trying to pull the family in with it. So that's why you've seen a lot of turkey this, and you've seen pack of meat, because that meat there I can chop it up and make it all types of stew, beef, but you know what I'm saying, but a little more healthy meal, more say. I will probably go back and pick up some more meat because I didn't pick up too much meat, but I'm trying to stay away from the red meat. And honestly, we just ate ground beef, like as in the hamburgers forms. Yesterday we went to Wendy's and got sandwiches and stuff, but we have not really had a ground beef as a sandwich from a restaurant in so long. So it kind of felt a little bit different, a little messed up, a little taste buds, messed up our belly as well. Maybe it was just because it came from Wendy's. No shade to Wendy's, but I'm just saying though. But this is the final look of the pantry, how I put everything. I try to organize it, but this is not going to stay like this. As long as I got the kids in here, this all will be gone. So moving on to the dishes, the sink here, clean up some of these dishes here. And the way I like to clean my dish, I like to start off cleaning the sink, which you guys did not see that, but I done that so many times in the cleaning video for a kitchen. I would clean the sink first, and then I would make my soap water and stuff. And now I'm basically moving all them dirty dishes over here to the counter, so therefore I could clean this sink so I could put the clean dishes over here. And then after the fact, once I clean up my dishes and everything, I'll go ahead and rinse them off. Then I have got into the habit now, as well as put the family in the habit of getting a towel and dry the plates and stuff, other than just letting them sit on the counter or sit in the sink to air dry with the water dripping. No. That, to me, I found it to be very lazy, and then it seemed like the dishes never do go away. You start accumulating more dishes and more, and so it's like, did I even clean these? Are these clean or are these dirty? Even though I have a dishwasher, I don't like the dishwasher. I'm used to just washing dishes by hand. I'm comfortable with that. The family is actually comfortable with that. We all are. And for some reason with the dishwasher, it seemed like it always getting clogged up. So I was like, you know what, forget it. We'll just put big pots or pans or something in there. But plates and everything, once you clean them and wash them down and rinse them off, we could just go get a hand towel, honey, and just dry them off and sort them out and put them where they need to go. So therefore, we don't have to have that problem, and then it just make the kitchen more clean and more neat, more organized, and you just feel so refreshing afterwards. So basically that's what I'm going to do here in the kitchen. So if you queens and kings enjoy this type of video, enjoying that I'm actually trying to talk to you all through some of the videos, because I don't know, do you want me to talk or you just want to listen to some music? Because you know I could throw some good jams in for you. But just let me know down in the comment section if you all are enjoying these type of videos. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button at this time. Turn on your post notification bell.
can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah.
All right, Queens and Kings, so that is it for me basically cleaning my kitchen, organizing, putting up grocery, cleaning the refrigerator, and all that good jazz in here. So if you Queens and Kings enjoy this type of content, enjoy this video, period, please go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the castle. Also turn on your post notification bell, so therefore you can see more videos from me and my family and I. And Andre have cotton candy all over his face. Yeah, he think he have a mustache. So, but yeah. So with that being said, Queens and Kings, I will see you all in the next video. You guys continue to be royal. Bye bye.
Peace and goodbye.